our first responders are our policemen. So they are the ones who directly went to the crime scene and conduct the necessary investigation. So, para hindi na maiwasan yung tinatawag nilang overlapping of functions or nasisira yung pag-iimbestiga, hinayaan natin na our local police will conduct the investigation. But it's very sad that no less than the aggrieved family had requested the NBI to come in. So, kaya pumasok na rin kami sa pag-iimbestiga. And it's a parallel investigation. Our ultimate goal, the PNP, the NBI, and other law enforcement, our paramount goal is to have an early solution of the killing of the late Kapitan Bugol Jr.
So, unsa na yung update?
Okay, sir. So, ongoing investigation. Hanggang saan tayo, sir, ngayon na level sa ating investigation, sir?
Well, to be honest with the public, our policemen, I myself from the NBI, we really have a hard time in solving this case. This is a very classic na case, well planned, well organized, and we believe na yung mga assailants, they are also connected with the government. So, kung ordinaryong criminal lang to, with the pot money of 5.5 million, sinusuka na yan. Kung ordinaryong tao lang yan. Kung ordinaryong killer lang yan. But because he is well connected with the government, sinong magsusukong? So, very compact sila. Pero I believe na meron kaming isang hawak na ebidensya na the moment na, of course, with the participation of our communication company, our communication service provider, so we can get some possible link in this particular case.
Okay. So, is this from the law enforcement, sir? Are you referring to law enforcement yung assailant? Yung sabi niyo?
Yes, kasi may mga previous killings na if you happen to recall the incident that took place in Solariega, na sniping din yung abogada. Ako personally, I also handled this case in Nabunturan, yung the late Solis Rapista, na doon siya, in-snipe din siya doon sa fronting, nag-park siya doon sa Kumbal Hotel sa Nabunturan, and he was sniped. May idea kami kung sino yung gumagawa. But, the moment that your evidences will be submitted to the prosecutor's office, as a law enforcer, you have to see to it that there exists probable cause, not only probable cause, but the certainty of conviction. So, meaning, we cannot just simply file a case when we believe na we don't have that object evidence that would somehow link to this group of individuals.
So, you mean, sir, pag law enforcement, the pattern of killing?
Yes, yung signature nila.